It's 22 minutes after 10 o'clock. The gentlemen are here and we've got Anonymous on the line. Without wasting any more time, good morning, Anonymous.
Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. And yourself, sir?
I'm good, thanks.
Amazing, amazing. Are you warm, Anonymous?
Yes, I am, ma'am.
Okay.
Hey, what kind are you warm? Hey,
Yes.
and if he said no?
Then we'll heat things up for him. We'll heat it up.
Oh, you got that fire, huh?
Exactly, that's right. Anonymous, I'm going to read you the house rules. Respect is the foundation of our conversation. Please maintain respectful language, refrain from any swearing or use of profanities. Our responsibility is to protect your identity, and your responsibility, Anonymous, is to extend the same courtesy to protect the identity of the people or the person you'll be speaking about. Anonymous, do you agree, sir?
Yes, I do.
All right, we're listening. What's going on, Anonymous?
I have this close friend of mine, and he keeps telling me every time he sees my girlfriend with another guy.
Wait, Anonymous, wait.
Hey, man.
Wait. Please say that again, but slowly.
Okay, I'm saying I'm having this friend of mine.
Mm-hmm.
He's staying the same neighborhood as my girlfriend.
Okay.
Yes.
And then every time he sees her with some guy, he will stop his car and greet them so that he can see that he saw them.
Mm.
Then me later on when I'm from work or whenever we meet, he will tell me, hey, your girlfriend, man, is with that guy. And then they are romantically in love.
Hey, man.
So before she knew that my friend already told me, he came up with the story. I don't know it's a story of what. He told me there's a guy, they grew up together, they went to same church, and the families are family friends. So when I see him with her, when I see her with him, I must not worry, there's nothing going on. Okay, but my friend keep on telling me every time he saw them. So the other day, she tells me that no, I didn't want to break your relationship with your friend, but your friend is been proposing me.
Yeah, man.
See, so I'm not sure now because as we speak, we already sent the uncle already sent the letter. So I'm not sure who to believe because now I took my friend to her, and then she's still saying the same story, and my friend is denying.
Okay.
Yeah. So
You've been together for?
come again.
I can't do that. I can't. You've been together for how long?
We've been together for 6 years now.
For 6 years.
Yes.
And you've never met this church guy?
No, the church guy, I never met him with her, but I know because they have a salon where she's making her
Hair.
her makeups and all.
Okay, so you've never seen them together and you've never been introduced to the church guy for 6 years, but they are family friends.
Yeah, I never seen them together.
Wow.
Because during the week I'm always at work.
It's
Weekends
fine.
I'm with her.
It doesn't
See,
matter.
So
It doesn't matter. There's no excuse or reason why you haven't met the thing. Have you met her friends?
have I?
Have you met her friends, like close friends and family?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so my brother, how long have you known your friend, the one that has been giving you updates with what she does when you are at work? How long have you known that friend?
Yo, more than 15 years.
More than 15 years. Okay.
Yeah, he's my friend.
Of course.
And you guys talk about everything, no?
Everything. And then we also going out, me and him, his girlfriend and my girlfriend. Most of the time we can go everywhere.
Okay.
Double dates, yes.
And then how many men has your friend seen her with?
No, it's that one.
So it's
He's
just that
always
one guy.
telling about one. Yes.
And she says when you at work, they out there, they holding hands, they look like they are close. Like, okay.
Yes.
So you don't know who to believe.
I know who you must believe.
Is that so?
Yeah, because
Yes.
Because
the problem now, I already sent the uncles with the letters, with the letter. Now, this story now is disturbing me now. I don't know who to believe because I took him to her and then she denied.
Okay.
But now,
Yeah,
so
so-
this woman only says your friend is pursuing her
After.
the
Yes,
letter,
that's
and then after Bampaqile.
That's suspicious. When
Yeah.
and we're gonna cut this short. Send a text
Aye.
now. Ne? Send a text to the family. You see that letter there? Fix this part and then press pause. And then they must add whatever you say on the text. Just send a text to the family. Yaga girl. The letter that my uncles dropped. Please add these words. Pause.
Aye.
Kancane. Serious. Because it's very suspicious. Your girl.
Who are you suspecting, the girl or his friend?
The girl. The girl is the girl. Your girl. It's not.
You know, the other problem is that I know my friend, he's jealous, the girlfriends are not the same. Mine is too beautiful than his. You see? So I know, and then he's from the rich family, so maybe I know.
Okay, you've got a point there. He's got a point. No. He's got a point.
But then it doesn't mean if he smears her
campaign.
her campaign. Yeah, okay. Doesn't mean then she will choose him. You get what I mean?
No,
He just doesn't want him.
No,
He
what?
just doesn't want you with a beautiful girl that is from a rich family.
No. What's nice about this now, which is great, because I was about to end this at 1:30.
Why?
Because there was nothing more. But
We haven't gotten to the bottom of it.
He just dropped the pearls right now. He's giving us something to work on. We've got something on this operating table. Because now he's got suspicion that the friend is jealous of him because he's got a hot girlfriend, and Anonymous is slightly perverse, and then friend rich but unabombumiza.
Oh wow!
Right, so we're gonna work on something, Anonymous. Don't worry, I'm gonna help you.
We're coming back. We're coming back, Anonymous. Sure.
Headlines at 10:30. A senior investigator at the Investigative Directorate Against Corruption, IDAC, a unit of the NPA, has defended his credentials. And the Public Servants Association, thus the PSA, says the decision of the Public Investment Corporation Board to place its Chief Executive Patrick Dlamini on precautionary suspension is a significant step towards restoring accountability. Details at 11.
It's definitely where you want to be. Anonymous is a 36-year-old man, has been with his 27-year-old girlfriend for 6 years. He's currently torn between believing his girlfriend and one of his close friends of 15 years, especially as his uncles have already written a letter to her family, signaling that their relationship is moving forward, a more serious commitment. Now, Anonymous, while he's at work, basically, his friend often bumps into his girlfriend around the same neighborhood. His friend has repeatedly told him that he has seen his girlfriend with another man and insists that something suspicious is going on. Basically, the situation now has taken a turn. His girlfriend recently revealed that she had kept quiet about something because she did not want to come between Anonymous and his friend. That's where we are now. He dropped some pearls now, saying that, no. Thinks that his friend thinks that, his girlfriend is more beautiful. She's also from a rich family, but that's where we are now. Anonymous, is there anything else you want to add? Anything else?
The other thing I want to add, somebody already told me about this guy, but he told me, yes, they are attending the same church, because I asked one of the neighbors there about this guy, and then he told me, yeah, I know them from long time. They do attend the same church, but they are very close, so he didn't know what to tell me, but he agreed that they they grew up attending the same church. So that's now when I'm confused. Maybe she's telling the truth. I don't know about my friend proposing her. So, and my friend, I trust my friend in other things, like he won't do that to me, but I'm not sure now.
So she's from a rich family, but while during working,
No, the guy is from the rich family. He's
I
he's
also thought you
owning
said
some
her.
businesses there around.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
You guys don't listen. Gosh. Anonymous, carry on.
Yeah, so now is that I'm not sure if my friend can do that to me, but I know him. He's capable of doing such things from the other things I've seen him doing to other people. But for me, he's my friend and my close one. So I'm not sure if he can do that to me, or
What did he
she's
do?
protecting herself.
What did he
something, I
do
don't-
to other people?
Like, I know if maybe he want the girl and then that girl is having a boyfriend, he can maybe act with his money, things, the cars, and then he win that girl. I know he can do that.
And so you think your woman is cheap?
Yeah, I can say so. In fact, I cannot say she's cheap, but I know she likes things, you see.
Yeah,
And then
yes.
most of the times, maybe I'm short of something, I can still borrow some money from him, and then he gives me, and then he knows where is the money going.
Okay.
Yeah, but then do you want to be with a person that can be bought? Let's start there. Let's not even talk about your friend right now. Let's talk about your insecurities, right? Your financial insecurities, and you being with a person that you think can be bought with flashy things. Do you ever want to be with that kind of person?
I do. I love her.
Yeah, but she likes
uh,
things, and when you can't provide those things.
Yeah, but I am providing where I can, and then she's happy with that. It's just that I know she can still want more.
Yeah, so you live knowing that you're sharing her with somebody else.
Good.
No, that guy is not working as well. The one they see him with him always is
Well,
not
the church-
working.
the church
So
mouse.
I don't think it's something with them fleshy things.
Yeah, but okay. Mina, all I'm saying is you can't if you can't provide things, you can't say I want to marry this one that likes things. Otherwise, there will never be peace in your head.
Yeah.
What does that
Yeah.
Uyakuzwa.
Oh.
Yeah, I understand
He's
that
agreeing
one.
with you.
Oh.
Anonymous,
Yes?
do you have children with your girl?
No.
Okay. Do you have children when?
Yes, I've got two.
Okay. And how's the relationship with you and the mother of your children?
It's a long thing, and I'm not close with the baby mama, and then it's not the one. It's two different baby mamas, and then that is not in the picture for our relationship.
And the children?
Yeah, the children, sometimes I visit them, but not always. But she knows I've got a kid, not two, but she knows about one.
You see?
Yeah.
Gosh, I'm so
Yes?
good at this. Because, let me tell you, Anonymous, you come up. If I didn't ask this, I was going to say, Anonymous, when you are naive and gullible, you are sweet. No, you are not. You are not, Anonymous. You are not sweet. You are not innocent. And also, for you to talk about your kids as if I'm asking about your former colleagues, it's a red flag. Yeah, like when it's like me asking you, Naked, when last did you see Matt L? And then you go, no, once in a while. That's a colleague. We don't expect you to be together all the time. But your children,
Well, not a colleague anymore.
but your children, you can't just say, once in a while I see them or whatever. You know, you can't do that.
And then you're hiding the one.
And then you're hiding the one. That's a
Yeah,
red.
man.
Anonymous, you are a red flag. I was about to defend you. You are a red flag, Anonymous.
Why are you hiding the child?
How?
No, we didn't come to that discussion. So
What do you mean?
You see,
That's the
Yes.
first thing you say when you meet someone. Hey,
How?
I am anonymous. I have 2 children
Yes, and you're sending letters
with 2 different
Ngapha,
mothers.
You have a
Mm.
secret, and you're hiding your child, Anonymous. Aye.
no, not that I'm hiding them,
What are
but
you-
we didn't talk about deep things like children or what.
For
But
6 years.
she knows that I have a child.
For
One.
6 years, Anonymous.
Yeah, but
Ati,
wait, Ati, wait.
you
He
know-
says we didn't discuss children.
Yes.
But she knows that
I have
I've
a
got
child.
one.
Child.
Yes.
So when she knew about the one, couldn't you say Nkelu plus 1, 1 plus 1, I've got 2?
No, because she saw that it was in a Christmas party at my house. I was with her, and then the child was there. So that's
it
how
was a
she
surprise.
met her.
Yo, she only,
It was a surprise
Aye,
at a
look,
Christmas party.
and I can tell
Yeah.
you, he doesn't have 2. Anonymous, you don't have 2 children. When Nagiti, you are hiding another one.
Mm.
It's 2 only. It's only 2.
How old are they?
The other one is 13. The other one is 11.
And the other one?
It's only 2.
That you know of.
Hi, Anonymous. Mm-mm.
No, and he did not disclose. She went to a Christmas party,
Party.
not knowing, and then clubs the kid was there, and then she's like, "Who is this Wamafinyel?" And then you said, then what did you say?
No,
Um,
I'm the one who introduced him to her
How did you do this? Tell us.
because my sister was there. Everybody was there, and then they know her. And then my sister told her, this is anonymous child.
Wait,
Yes.
And then that's
Anonymous.
when I tell her the stories, and then she knows, but I'm not involved with them, baby mom.
Doesn't matter.
So when are you planning to tell her about the other child?
Christmas, how Gansomizi? Are you not
I'm
listening?
going to see Christmas. Then.
Mm-mm. Yeah, Christmas.
That one, in fact, is not part of my life because,
It doesn't matter. You have to
Because-
tell her you've
because
got a
why?
child.
because that one, there was complication when he was born, and then there was many stories.
Putting
You
your
see,
child
that's why
back
now
down.
I'm not like involved too much with him because there were stories. It's not mine. It was somebody's, and then eventually it was mine. So
Hey, Banna. Kanti, there's no DNA testing. Like, how is a child not yours and then eventually it is yours?
no, we send
A letter.
my aunties to check. We send elder people to check, and then they come. They say no, the child belongs to the family, but.
Because they saw markings, like certain birthmarks or certain marks.
Yes,
Oh,
they look at the hairs and what, and they say, no, it's from our family. But
yes.
with
Yeah.
me, I was not sure with those things because of her behavior. And then he's not caring anything about that thing. He's like, okay, it's your child, but even myself, I'm not sure. But eventually, it was my child.
Okay, let's move forward.
Usile. I
Ubani?
mean, I wouldn't even move forward with a guy that hasn't disclosed to a woman that he claims is the love of his life, hasn't disclosed what his life is. Even the first kid, he didn't speak to and say, my woman, this is, I have 2 children, blah, blah. And then it has to happen at a Christmas party. My brother, this is not how life works.
I agree with you, Sin. And also, your second gen, and I think also you know the thing, but you are the company you keep. By Fanelana boy 3, the girlfriend and the friend, because he says the girlfriend, I can tell now, she's lying about the church guy. There's something going on there, and the fact that she told you after your friend has exposed her, that should raise a flag. Number one. Number 2, you saying that your friend is not capable of doing anything to you about with your girlfriend, but you've seen him doing those things to other people, never ever say that about another human being. Never. You are setting up yourself for a disappointment, because if he's capable of doing that to other people, those same people are saying the same thing about him. He will never do that to us, because he is that friend to them. Do you understand? So it's possible that your friend is asking her out, but it's also possible that he's not, or your friend is jealous about your relationship because she's more beautiful and blah 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 blah, and he can't have her. But also now, look deep within yourself. Uguti, you can't. It's really like looking after your body externally and ignoring it internally. You go to gym, your muscles are on point, but you smoke 25 cigarettes a day and you drink 17 bottles of alcohol per day. You are destroying your inside, but outside you look so beautiful. So fix your inside now yourself. Fix your inside.
Okay.
Hold on. When you expect honesty from other people, be an honest person.
Thank you.
When you expect loyalty from other people, be a loyal person.
Thank you.
Okay? I personally, I don't expect loyalty and honesty from other people.
Because
I'm not.
there we go.
Okay, besides maybe all these things, like now, we going forward.
What do
Because
you do?
now I want to find a solution. Maybe since I've said I've already sent
Send
a
the
letter.
letter. All right. Okay. We'll come back to you with an answer for that. Ne? Hold on.
Okay.
45 minutes after 10 o'clock. Okay, Anonymous?
Yes.
All right, we are back.
You're asking what happens now because you've sent a letter.
Yes, and then like who's telling the truth between them? Because now like I want to move forward.
Yes.
And then
Hold on. You can't ask those questions who's telling the truth until you tell the truth. Okay?
yes.
Like you sit with your girlfriend and say, we need to be honest about certain things, and we can't move forward until those things are handled or ironed out. And you also come clean that you've got 2 children. Whether
Yes.
you are a part of those children's lives or not, you need to be honest with her. You can't now worry about who you want to lobola her, but you're not sure about the other guy and stuff like that. When you yourself, you're holding on deadly secrets. So you need to come clean first and be honest so that you know, now you did not deceive someone when you expected them not to deceive you. Do you understand?
Yes, I understand, but she knows now about the other
Aye,
side, but not that
Boetie.
other one.
Aye,
I don't
aye,
think she
aye.
will ever know.
No, you see, don't get married to her, okay? Because you are not honest as well. Don't get married to her. Just Jolani with your lies, but don't get married to her, because you saying just because she doesn't know about the other kid is disturbing to me. It's disturbing. It's a big lie. You are not hiding if you've got a pimple underneath your hair. You are hiding a full human being. You can hide a pimple for the rest of your life by having an afro. And it doesn't affect anybody but you. But you are hiding a whole human being to somebody that you're going to stand with at the altar and go, I'm going to be truthful and faithful to you for the rest of my life. Already it's beginning on a lie. Here you are now. I don't think you expected what we are saying to you right now, but it's good that I asked you, do you have children? Because now we've uncovered something else. You can't say, what if she comes back to you 10 years down the line and say, I've been sleeping with your neighbor, right, for the past 10 years. And then you say to her, why didn't you ask me? He says, no, but you didn't ask me about the neighbor. You only asked me about the church guy, which I did not sleep with the church guy. So now we're not going to talk about things that are not asked about.
Yes.
So you need to be honest with her, Anonymous. Please, don't take this light, Putwam.
So if I tell her about this other kid, now must making things difficult for me now to be with her because she don't have a child.
So would you rather be with someone based on a lie? Look at the universe saved by the bell. The question is, would you rather be with someone based on a lie than lose them based on the truth?
We know the answer.
Not everybody.
Really?
No, not everybody naked. Some people, as we speak right now, they are happily ever after, but there's a lie beneath there.
Sis, I hope it eats them up.
Never, it doesn't.
That's why people get sick.
It doesn't.
Yeah.
You know, I was telling a friend of mine the other day, sadly, what I've discovered, I'm starting not to believe there's karma. Which we'll talk about it one day.
No,
Anonymous, I asked you a question. Would you rather be with someone based on a lie or lose them based on the truth? Please answer that, and I'm going after this.
Hey, for this one with the lie.
Okay, go for it, my brother. It's your bed. Lay in it. Or lie in it, rather. Ne? All right.
You even said bird. So.
It's your bird. Good luck, Putwam.
Okay.
Not that I mean it, but yeah. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right, papi.
Yeah.
Anonymous, continue listening through the radio for the advice coming through from you, South Africa. That number to dial, 086 2160. What's your advice? Give us a call right now, 086 2160. What advice do you have for Anonymous? I think let's start with our voice notes. They're coming through on 060 552 7303.
Morning, Metro.
Morning.
All I can say is, maybe you guys should ask who Anonymous would say, has this guy ever made remarks like about his girlfriend, saying, she looks beautiful and whatnot? And those are the kind of things that should make him question if the guy is actually asking out the girl. But then I don't think guys would even lie about that. Guys don't do that. Not unless the friend is not an actual friend, is not a genuine friend.
It doesn't matter. You already sent the letter and all that. When Abrawaka, you must just not continue anymore with that lobola negotiations. You must just leave that girl with that guy. This girl, she's playing you, my brother. She's playing you. So don't continue with those lobola. What? You can send another letter apologizing. Serious.
Good morning, Metro FM.
Morning.
To Anonymous, I would just say, my friend, trust your gut feeling, Yabon. Before you get married, you must not have doubts. You must be sure of what you are doing. Now, when these doubts are coming up, strange things are happening. It's a sign, you see. It's a sign that maybe you should not be with this woman, I'm not saying trust your friend. All I'm saying is it's a sign that maybe it's not the right woman for you, because if you wanna lobola someone, things must just go smoothly. And what kind of a woman has a best friend that is a man, knowing very well that she's about to get married? No. Those are signs, my friend.
Afternoon, Metro.
Afternoon.
Anonymous. What are the signs? What do you see? You must have noticed something there, man. If something is going on, you should see. You should know your person. For 6 years, there are signs that if she's cheating or she's doing something there. So what have you noticed, man? You can't just say for 6 years you never met that guy. You must have seen something that says there is somebody here. Right? Well, otherwise, it's you who knows your girl. That the other guy, your friend, that is saying he saw her with somebody. You know your girl, man.
Hi, Anonza. You cannot start a marriage on no trust. It will not work. Believe you me, from someone who's been there for 14 years. If you don't trust her, you can't marry her. It means you are not trustable also. So guys, please don't do it. do not do it. Do not. I'm glad there's no child involved. So please, just let her go. She's not in your league, and it's gonna be a problem.
Let's squeeze in a phone call. Zanele, good morning.
Hi, morning. How are you?
Hey, good. Thanks to yourself, Zanele.
I'm doing well, thank you. U-Anonymous is selfish. Selfish because ayikho i-foundation yokugxoka. Number one. Number two, at least the best thing ebenoyenza kumchazela inyani umntana abantu athi engena emtshatweni abezidicayidele yena uba ungena eyazi yonke inyani. But otherwise, the way he is doing things, he is destroying the poor girl. It's not right.
Okay. Thank you very much, Zanele, out in GQ. We appreciate your call and your advice. Gentlemen?
I was saying earlier on that I've come to a realization, and that's a personal thing, okay? I'm not generalizing it, right? That I'm starting to believe that there's no thing as karma. Because I think karma for me now, it seems to be like something that I have to console myself that whatever they've done bad unto me, it's going to come and find them one day. And I've seen people thriving that have done horrible things to me. It's fine. And some will say, no, that children are going to, no, it's not fair. If then that's karma, that's how karma operates. Karma is not fair to affect the children. But also, I've realized that the universe does not reward you based on your morals. That's me. It rewards you based on the frequency you have with it. If you believe that you're going to be provided for, you're going to be safe, you're going to be taken care of by the universe responds according to what you think. If you don't believe that, the universe responds. And if that was the case about karma and bad people not getting things right, it means then bad people are not going to live happy lives. But we've seen horrible people living happy lives. It's because their frequency with the universe is on par. That's me. So whoever you've done bad naked, don't worry. Your frequency in the universe is on point. 96.4.